Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Jessica. Today, we're going to visit a restaurant to learn English, along with a few things to keep in mind when entering a restaurant. First of all, we will watch the whole story to find out what happened at this restaurant. After that, I'll summarize the main points of the story to make sure you've got the important parts. Last but not least, we will learn some new vocabulary together. Now, let's get to our table and see what's happening next. Scene 1. Kitchen.
Good morning, everyone. It's weekend time, so we have a lot of guests to serve. How is everything? Jason, have we got everything here?
Well, here we have 22 pounds of beef in total. 5 pounds of Kobe ribeye, another 5 pounds of filet tenderloin, 7 pounds of Wagyu filet, and 5 pounds of Kobe prime rib.
And 30 pounds of lobster just came from Maine, chef.
We've got beef and lobster. The grouse is still on the way.
It's already 5. The grouse was supposed to be here half an hour ago. Did you call the vendor, May?
I did. They said they'll be here in 15 minutes. The snow slows the traffic in Michigan.
Jesus. Well, listen up, everybody. Jason will take care of the beef, while I'll handle the lobster with May over here. There's no time for procrastination. We'd better get it done in time. Fire.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
What's on the menu today with the beef, Chef David?
I want the best cut of mignon for steak tartare, beef Wellington, and the finest ribeye for beef steak.
How about the filet, chef?
It's for the Wagyu beef massaman curry. How about the lobster? We have our 2 specials.
Grilled lobster tails with lemon and lobster risotto?
That's right, May.
The grouse just came, chef. I'm gonna prep them.
After that, add diced vegetables and thyme.
I got it, chef.
Chef, the lobster's tails are curled. I'm gonna take them out. The dressing is already done with celery, mayo, chives, and a little lemon zest.
Don't forget to add a bit of hot sauce for more depth. Then we'll have a beautifully dressed lobster with intense flavor.
Yes, chef.
How's it going with the steak tartare, Jason?
I mixed the ground beef with chopped parsley, onions, gherkins, and capers.
Let me see. Well, you should put more seasoning on this, Jason. I need a well-seasoned mixture. Scene 2. Serve.
Good evening, sir. Are you ready to order? Oh, hi. Well, this is my first time at this restaurant. I'm a bit confused and don't know what to start with. What are your specials?
Well, beef Wellington is one of our best-liked dishes so far. You'll be surprised by its tenderness.
Gosh, I'm allergic to beef. Sorry, I was supposed to tell you that earlier.
No worries, sir. Well, today we have fresh lobster from Maine. I think it's a go-to dish for seafood lovers.
No way.
Do you have an allergic reaction to seafood as well?
Oh, not at all. It's perfect, actually. You suggested just the right one. I would kill to have seafood every day. I'm gonna get 2 servings of grilled lobster tails. Oh, may I have a drink menu, please?
Here, sir. I think a rosé champagne, prosecco, or margarita would go well with the lobster, sir.
Really? Well, I'll have the margarita then.
The food will be ready in a few minutes, sir.
Hello, I want a table for 2, please.
Do you have a reservation, sir?
Oh, no, actually. Do you have any free tables at the moment?
Well, we have a table available for 2. This way, sir.
I wonder if there's roast duck on your menu?
My friend tried this yesterday and suggested this place to me.
I see. Unfortunately, it's out of order today. Would you like to try our beef Wellington instead? It's one of our best dishes here.
Let me see. I think I'm gonna go with the steak then. And a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling, sir?
Sparkling, please.
And how would you like your steak?
Medium rare, please.
Oh, Jesus! This place is like a maze. I've already walked enough for today.
Good evening, ma'am. This way, please.
Oh gosh, I'm starving now.
May I take your order now? We will serve you as soon as possible.
Of course. I want to order spaghetti with meatballs, please.
Yes, ma'am. Would you like a small, medium, or large order?
Well, I always have the medium, so I'll have a medium size of spaghetti. And one dish of roasted grouse, please.
Anything else, ma'am?
Wine, please. I want a bottle of Pinot Noir, if you have it. Time to spoil myself after a long trip. Well, that'll be all for now.
I got it. The food will be ready soon. Here are your dishes. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Oh, no.
What's wrong, ma'am?
This isn't what I ordered. I ordered medium spaghetti, not extra large. And the grouse here, apparently, it's for 2 people.
Oh, it is actually the medium size, ma'am. And for the grouse, this amount is 1 serving.
Are you serious? This is huge. I thought food portions were the same everywhere. Why are food portions in America so enormous? Jesus, this is insane. Gosh, I could feed a whole village with these foods.
I'm sorry about that, ma'am. Do you want to change it to the small one?
Yes, please. I don't want to waste this delicious dish at all.
Hello, sir. What can I do for you?
Well, I made a dinner reservation for 2 last week.
I see. May I have your name, please?
Our reservation is under the name of J. Arnold.
Okay, Mr. Arnold. Your reserve table is this way. Well, are you ready to order yet?
My daughter just got into Yale, so I'm gonna splurge today. I want a beef Wellington with a lobster risotto, please.
Oh, congratulations. And for Miss?
Well, I think I'll have the Wagyu beef massaman curry. Oh, and I want to try the steak tartare as well.
Anything else?
I think I'm gonna get Maine-style lobster rolls. Is the lobster fresh?
Of course, miss. The lobster just came several hours ago.
Awesome.
Excuse me, sir. There's been a small delay in your meal due to some disturbance back in the kitchen. It'll take several more minutes to serve your first dish. We're sorry for that.
Oh, well, it's all right with me.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much. Scene 3. Check. Was everything all right, sir?
Well, it's perfect, to be honest. The lobster is rich and meaty. I'll definitely try it next time. Unfortunately, my eyes are bigger than my belly. Could I get the rest to go?
Of course, sir. I'll get the bag for you.
Oh, do you take credit cards?
We do, sir. That'll be $320. May I have your card, sir?
Here, $50 is the tip.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that. Here's your card and your receipt. Have a good day, sir.
Could you, over here, please.
Oh, my bad. I didn't see you at first. What can I do for you?
Can we have the bill, please? Uh-oh. We want separate checks for each of us here. Is that okay?
Of course. I'll go and get them for you. How was everything, sir? Oh, you tell me. The steak is tender and juicy, like melt in my mouth. It's 10 out of 10. I'm glad you loved it. Here you are. Yours is $135. How would you like to pay, cash or card?
Cash, please. This is $150. You can keep the change.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, sir.
Oh, he can't see me. Jesus.
Check. Check.
Excuse me. I want to pay now, please.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Well, it seems like you didn't notice me at all. I've called you for quite a long time.
I apologize, ma'am. What can I help you with?
I'll take the check, please.
One moment, please. Well, how was everything? Did you like it?
I love the taste of the spaghetti. Creamy, cheesy with a chewy texture. Absolutely amazing. It made me feel like at home. And the wine, Jesus! The flavor of raspberry, mushroom, and vanilla is crazy.
Glad to hear that, ma'am. Here, your total is $187.
I'll pay by cash. Here's $100 and $87.
Well, here you are. Did I do something wrong, ma'am?
No, not at all. What's wrong?
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me. May I have the check, please? One moment, please. Here you are. How's everything, sir? My daughter loves the curry. She even finished the whole dish. And the lobster risotto is excellent. Everything is well cooked and perfect. I'm thrilled to hear that, sir. You know what? I would be willing to try the lobster again for 100 times. It blew my mind. We're honored to serve you, sir. And about your bill, it is $970. I'll pay in cash. This is $1,200. Keep the change for yourself. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. And that's what happened at the restaurant. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Did you catch the main idea of the story? Let me break down the main points of the story to help you understand it better. In this restaurant, Chef David and his team, including Jason and May, are gearing up for a busy weekend by ensuring all necessary ingredients are stocked, such as various cuts of beef and fresh lobster from Maine. They encounter a minor setback with a delayed delivery of grouse caused by snowy conditions in Michigan, but manage to keep their preparations on track. The kitchen team is clearly defined in their roles, with Jason handling the beef preparations and Chef David, alongside May taking charge of the lobster dishes. David's leadership is evident as he motivates his team to work efficiently and avoid delays, emphasizing the importance of timing and precision in their culinary tasks. As the restaurant opens for service, the staff, particularly waiter Adam, engages with the customers to assist them in their menu choices. Adam adeptly handles special dietary needs and recommends popular dishes like beef Wellington and freshly sourced Maine lobster, enhancing the guests' dining experience with his knowledgeable suggestions. Challenges such as a slight delay in serving due to kitchen issues are met with professionalism and courtesy, with the staff ensuring customers are informed and comfortable. The customers' reactions are positive, with commendations particularly focused on the quality of the lobster dishes, suggesting a successful application of the kitchen's efforts. The evening concludes with the processing of payments, where customers express their satisfaction with the quality of their meals and the service provided. Positive feedback and generous tips reflect their appreciation, reinforcing the restaurant's reputation for culinary excellence and customer care. This story takes us into the fast-paced and dynamic environment of a busy restaurant, highlighting the teamwork and effective management necessary to ensure customer satisfaction and smooth operation during peak service times. And that sums up the main idea of the story. I bet that you have heard some new words in the story. That's when we move to the last part, vocabulary. Vocabulary highlights: 1. Tenderloin, the tenderest part of a loin of beef or pork. 2. Fillet, a fleshy, boneless piece of meat from near the loins or the ribs of an animal. 3. Prime rib, the 7 ribs immediately before the loin. 4. Lobster, a large marine crustacean. 5. Grouse, a medium to large game type of bird. 6. Mignon, a thick slice of beef cut from the narrow end of a beef tenderloin. 7. Ribeye, a cut of beef from the outer side of the ribs. 8. Dressing, a sauce. 9. Gherkin, the small green fruit of a plant related to the cucumber. 10. Reservation, an arrangement in advance. 11. Check, bill. 12. Splurge, spending money freely or extravagantly. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.